Hello all, welcome back. Today let's see another AI tool. Its name is Steve.ai and it has a lot of functionalities. And one of the functionalities is to convert text to animation. Okay, so how if we give some text as a prompt and it will convert it to animation. It can help in a demo or if you like any small minor lectures for the kids, it will be very useful. Okay, so let's see how it can execute with the help of a demo. Okay.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
So I'll be going to the site actually. This is the part actually, steve.ai. I hope you can see, and you just enter with your credentials and you can see a lot of, as I said, there are a lot of functionalities and what today we are going to see is text to animation. Okay, so I'll be going here. Okay, so I can remove it. So that we can create lot of scenes. Okay, lot of scenes means it is uh, like a slide type of thing. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will make such that like okay, just hold on. I'm giving like this a demo type of thing. Okay, and it can accommodate only few. I'm giving the importance of AI. And it's just a script. You can do anything. You can use your means other type of generator or any. You can use your other AI tools like ChatGPT also to generate it. That also it's up to you. So just let's see how it is. I'm just giving it just so that the context will be there. Okay, and just this will be the last. Okay. So I have given, as you all aware, that AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI. And like I have given, okay, so like you join our Be10x workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so we can give anything up to, okay, I am giving a enter the topic of your video. And the type of the video is for us, it's animation, right? So animation I'm giving and I'm giving all. Okay, so that is fine. And I'm giving next. Okay, now it is important, guys. Okay, what type of theme you want, whether you want like this or whether you want this type of, if you hover your mouse over to it, it can give you. Okay, so from my point of view, I will take this. Okay, so it is selecting. Okay, it will take few minutes. Okay, so it has give, you want only voice over, music is there. Okay, so you can change the layout also, which one you want. Okay, so I'll be taking here, it's up to you, you can keep the same also, that is not an issue. And I'll be giving whether record voiceover or I'm giving some male voice to be spoken. Okay, like male I'm giving, and it could be like Bob. Okay, and yeah, it will be saving. Okay, and the music also you can. It's up to you. Like you can choose whichever. I will be taking anything. Just these are all. Okay. So now our things are ready. Okay. So these many slides it has been created is nothing but scenes. Okay. So whatever I have given the text, it has been generated. Okay. So let's see how it is. Okay. By the meantime, just yeah.
As you all aware that AI
I
is
hope you
taking
can
over
see.
the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs. Millions of jobs replaced by AI, and whatnot. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave. Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI Tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Join our Be10x workshop by clicking the link below in the description now.
Okay. So I hope then we can, as usual, like if you we can publish it if you want to download somewhere else. That is like as usual, we can create some name of it, and then like whether what type of model you want, and then if you give over there, it will automatically it can be downloaded. Okay, so this is one of the efficient way, guys. Now you have seen, right? If we give the text, it is making us an animation, and this same tool can be done with text to video also. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the session, guys. Take care. Bye bye.